Homer claims a miraculous medical breakthrough, presenting fake data at the Springfield Hospital rooftop today. Marge watches, worried, as Homer exaggerates, while Lisa and Bart exchange skeptical glances nearby tonight. Mr. Burns arrives, smelling a profit angle, hoarding reporters like cattle at the press conference. Chief Wiggum misreads the crowd's enthusiasm, declaring a miracle and deploying riot shields for coverage. Ned Flanders hails mercy, while Homer signs autographs, accidentally selling fake cures to delighted townsfolk. Lisa, armed with graphs, suspects falsified data and quietly plots a counter-narrative during lunch break. Bart feeds prank calls to Moe, who misreads Calamity as marketing genius for free drinks. Springfield Elementary students sketch charts, turning the crisis into a chaotic pep rally demonstration today. Dr. Hibbert nods patronizingly, taking notes, unaware the data fabric wanes under scrutiny from Lisa. Mayor Quimby opens a town meeting, promising transparency while hinting at sensational reforms for votes. Homer doubles down on charisma, savoring popcorn glory as the crowd chants his name loudly. On TV, Itchy and Scratchy parodies the press conference, while Duff beer balloons bob overhead. Krusty appears, seeking scandalous material for his show, but finds ethics class at Springfield High. Homer mutters dough, then accidentally knocks over charts, triggering a cascading chalk dust avalanche across desks. Springfieldites bring banners, snacks, a communal bake sale funds backlash against deception for honest reforms. Bart uses chalkboards to trace fake data, linking each fraud to a familiar character tonight. Homer's lie spreads globally through a town-wide chain text, tearing credibility apart among teachers everywhere. Chief Wiggum chases a suspicious thief, trailing sprinkles, while Eddie and Lou debate alarm protocols. Lisa holds a class at the library, dissecting data ethics for curious townsfolk after recess. Krusty schemes to host a redemption special, monetising fear with branded distractions for his comeback. Homer attends a press conference, accidentally revealing truth during crowds chant, creating an unforgettable mess. The town hall stage collapses into a pile of props, the audience cheers ironically anyway. Marge consoles Homer, reminding him love matters more than appearances, and forgiveness begins with neighbors. A town-wide confession assembly erupts at City Hall, people reveal every secret about the fraud. Homer faces Mr. Burns's yellowed wrath, while Lisa prosecutes honesty with reasoned protest for posterity. Moe apologizes to patrons, Ned prays for unity, Patty and Selma cheer the town's patience. Bart and Lisa repair trust by hosting a science fair about honesty for all Springfield. Homer admits the ruse, tears streaming, but the crowd applauds resilience and renewed bonds tonight. Final montage shows neighbors helping neighbors, rebuilding trust through shared soup, snow, and stories together. We end with the Simpsons family at home, grateful, saying dough together, community thriving anew.